Welcome back to Brooklyn Yard. We got some activity today. Then we're going to take a look at some of those engines that we've weathered. Put them in there. Not going to mess around with sound today. While the UP Yard Goat moves things around, we've got a Portland and Western. Now it's probably going to be the Yamhill Hauler. It's going to come up here and wait. Got the SD9 City of Hillsboro on the front. And then an X Santa Fe, X Willamette and Portland GP39 on the back. City of Hillsboro patiently waits for the clear block. Got a variety of motive power over on the fuel rack. The Pride and Joy, the 484 4449 is out sunning itself today, so we'll take a look at some of these. I'll run from southeast Portland out to Yamhill, maybe through McMinnville. Portland Western's a neat little railroad owned by Genesee in Wyoming. Corporate colors look just right out here. They mimic the daylights. So we're going to take a look a little closer in the yard here. As we look both ways and tiptoe across the tracks, we'll see a variety of power over here set up on the fueling rack. We've got a little SD45T, GP60. That's one of those that we weathered, one of those dummies. Here's the guy we worked on today, patch over. Now it's UP 1053. Got the Herald on the front. And then we turned one into one of 3 Denver and Rio Grande GP60s. And they're sitting here on the fuel rack. In the background, our UP Yard Power, Cotton Belt GP20. Kodachrome, and our good old SD9. In the background, have our homeless people pushing their belongings in their shopping carts along Produce Row. They've got their cants set up. I mean, here's luxury daylight rounded observation car. And then here's the homeless villages around the tents. So I just put this backdrop up just because I didn't like looking at the bookcase. I'm going to just put another building over here in this corner, sort of like we did there, and make it look like the urban area that it is in here. But I like doing the operations in the yard. Makes it look pretty good. I like having our people around. It's kind of the low Portland hills in the background. Pallets and porta bodies. They're everywhere. Fueling rack. So that's sort of any of the new things that we've done to the yard lately. And our cars that we decaled end up looking pretty good. They're a little bright. After the decals are set, we'll weather them down. But overall, they look pretty darn good. Just another day in Brooklyn Yard on actually a cool and gloomy northwestern Oregon afternoon. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Portland and Western using trackage rights on the UP coming through Oregon City. Coast and downgrade.